Sign up a Bybit account today and claim an exclusive reward from the Bybit program. Plus, you can get up to $6,435,000 in reward just by starting your crypto journey in the right way. Sounds simple, right? Let's find out. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to create your Bybit account, verify it, and unlock those juicy bonuses. Whether you're brand new to crypto or switching to another exchange, you don't want to miss this. Stick with me to the end because I will also share pro tips on maximizing your reward and avoiding beginner's mistake. Before we jump in, let's quickly talk about why Bybit is one of the fastest growing exchanges. Bybit has an over 20 million users worldwide. They have low trading fees, strong security and transparent proof of reserve. And the most important, the Bybit Rewards Hub gives you free Bitcoin bonuses just for signing up, depositing and trading. Alright, let's dive straight into the sign up process. Step 1. Head over to bybit.com or download Bybit mobile app on iOS or Android. Use the special sign up link I have left in the description or sign up below, or use the promo code you will see there below the comment section. This ensures that you are eligible for the exclusive reward of up to $6,135,000. Once you are on the sign up page, you will see two options: sign up with email or sign up with your phone number. Enter your details, set a strong password, and if you use my link, the referral code should already be filled in, or use this code to fill in the gap. After that, hit create account. Bybit will send you a verification code. Just enter it and boom, you are in. Now this part is very important. To unlock your reward, you will need to verify your account. Click on your profile. Head over to identity verification and submit a valid government ID like your passport, driver's license or national IDs. Verification usually takes a few minutes or a couple of hours, but once approved, you are ready to start earning bonuses. Once you are logged in, go to the Reward Hub. This is where all the magic happens. And here is how you can earn a reward. New user bonus. This is just for signing up. Deposit reward is when you fund your account for the first time. Trading reward is when you make your first trade. And extra promotions and limited time campaigns. And remember, all this adds up to a whopping of $6,105,000 in bonuses. To actually unlock those bonuses, you will need to add funds. Go to Assets and head over to Deposits and choose your crypto. If you don't own a crypto yet, no worries. Bybit allows you to buy directly with a debit card or credit card, or even P2P trading if that is easier in your country. And if you don't know how to earn massively with P2P trading, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I'm going to upload a video very soon on how to earn massively with P2P trading. So once your deposit lands, Bybit will credit your reward instantly or within a few hours. Now, trading is where Bybit shine. You can trade spots, derivatives, or even stake crypto. For beginners, I recommend starting with spot trading. That is simply buying and selling at a real-time market price. Your first trade also unlocks another reward, so don't skip that step. Here are some quick pro tips to make sure you get to the maximum. 1. Complete all the tasks in the Reward Hub. 2. Check the Bybit promotion page regularly. They often run campaigns with extra bonuses. And 3. Use your reward wisely. They can help you cover trading fees or boost your trade. And remember, rewards are only available to new users who sign up using that link in description. or the one in the pinned comment below. So don't miss out. So that's it. How to sign up in Bybit and claim up to $6,135,000 in exclusive reward. If you haven't signed up yet, go straight and click that link in the description or the one in the pinned comments. And if you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. And drop a comment if you have claimed your crypto reward already. Until next time, trade smart, earn reward, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe because I will be dropping how to earn with P2P trading very soon.